Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in, man. I'm coming back with an update with EURCHF. Y'all know I did an update a while back and it had no fucking sound. I must have missed it. Sorry, you guys. Excuse my language, but it didn't have no sound. But so I'm doing an update right now. It's continuing the range. It's still in the range. It broke here at 0711, and that's right here when it broke. So it broke and made a lower low, created a bigger range. So you had to be aware of that. But that was a trade. That was a trade. If you did trade that, that was a win. Market moved down. You see my trend line here, and it came back up and broke out of that with strong movement to the upside with a strong bull candle here. This is a 4-hour candle. This is a 4-hour chart. It came with a strong bull move. And it's moved to the upside. Right now, y'all can see it's consolidating, so expect some more movement. Expect movement. But really, on EURCHF, this market is not that fast. If you haven't noticed, this is always since July. We're really beyond July, really June. It really haven't gave no real strong movement. It stayed between 100 and 200 pips. No real true structure when it comes to markets that was be trending or something like that matters. No, it's not trending. It's not a trending market. So you got to be aware of that. So this market not trending. So you're waiting to, right now this update is about you recognize and notice that this market's not trending, so it's going to end up trending at some point or really creating a trend at some point. So you just got to be aware of that, and that's what this update is about. So once it break the range and really give you some strong movement and really break the symmetrical triangle pattern here, that's still in play. So once it breaks that, it haven't went nowhere seriously. You haven't made a serious move. So you just got to be ready for that. I told you, this is going to be a trade that you're going to have some true patience on. But there's money to be made on this trade, but you're going to have some true patience. Is this the best, asset to be trading right now? No. If you like to trade the range, yes. If you're a person that can trade the range and trade it at a high rate as far as winning goes, continue to do so. But if you're a person that trade trending markets or trade reversals, this might not be the trade for you. And I can understand that. I can understand that everybody have a variety of ways you can trade this market. It just matters you finding your niche and finding your way with the market and understanding the market and what you can get out the market that fits your personality and fits your schedule and things of that matter. But yeah, EURCHF still here. Still haven't broke out yet, so be ready for it. It will end up doing it at some point. It won't remain in the channel. If it remain in this channel or create a little bit higher channel, the euro franc, I wouldn't trust it for anything if it continues to do this for another 6 months. It's not a market you can believe in. It's not a market that you can make money in. But this is the update, y'all. Alex Jenkins checking out.